In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a target list in Salesflare. Even though Salesflare doesn't use traditional lists like some CRMs do, you can build the same outcome by filtering your contacts and saving those filters as a reusable segment. This gives you a clean, repeatable way to focus on the exact people you want to reach. Start by opening your Contacts or Leads view. Think about the audience you're targeting for your next outreach. Maybe webinar attendees, a specific industry, or decision makers in a certain region. With that in mind, use the filter controls to narrow things down. You can filter by tags you've already assigned, such as event-based tags, or by custom fields like industry, role, company size, or location. Behavioral and pipeline filters are helpful too, like finding people who haven't been contacted yet, or those sourced from a particular campaign. You can also use company attributes or other metadata if that's how your CRM is structured. As you layer in filters, keep your criteria focused but not overly strict. A good approach is to start a bit broad and then refine. Glance through the filtered results to confirm they look right. If you spot outliers, adjust your filters until the list truly matches your target profile. This preview step prevents you from saving a segment that's too big, too small, or off-target. Once you're happy with the results on screen, save your work as a reusable segment. In the Filter panel, look for the Save or Saved Filters option. Give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects the purpose and timing, such as Q1 Outreach, SMB Tech. Consistent naming makes it easy for you and your team to find later. You'll be asked whether to share it with your team or keep it private. Choose what fits your workflow and data sharing norms. Then, confirm to save. From now on, you won't need to rebuild that view. When you reapply the saved segment, Salesflare pulls in the contacts that currently match those filters, so the view stays relevant as your data evolves. If your targeting changes, edit the filters and resave under the same name or create a new version for tracking. A quick tip: keep your tags and custom fields consistent as you add new contacts. The more disciplined your data, the more accurate your segments will be. That's it. By filtering your contacts and saving those filters as a segment, you've effectively created a target list you can rely on for focused outreach, without juggling spreadsheets or manual selections.